After spending 18 years with auto majors and technology companies, I have seen how fast the business and tech world is evolving. Experience gives you a depth, but I felt the need to update my knowledge, especially in leadership, digital strategy, and innovation. That's why a PGDM became important. At this stage in my career, I needed something flexible yet rigorous. IMI Kolkata's online PGDM gave me the best of both: live classes, recorded sessions, and the ability to manage learning around work and personal commitments. Being back on campus after so many years was energizing. The classes were interactive, the faculties were approachable, and connecting with younger peers brought in fresh perspectives. The learning environment here is dynamic, collaborative, and future ready. This program doesn't just add a credential, it reshapes your thinking. IMI Kolkata has helped me become a learner again with purpose.